In this video, I'll show you how you can publish your Canva design to your WordPress website. So we're going to be able to embed this onto the website. So whenever you make any changes on Canva, it will automatically update on your WordPress website. So first you want to head over to Canva and find your design that you want to embed. So I'm just going to embed this CV example. So once you've got your design, you can go to share in the top right hand corner and then go ahead and scroll down and then choose more. So click on more. And then you should see here embed. So this is what we're looking for, embed. If you can't see it, then just go ahead and search for it. But click on embed and it will then give you two different options. So first, click embed and then it will give you these two options to embed your design on your website. Now, if you're trying to embed your design on a WordPress website, go ahead and copy the first one and then head over to WordPress. So here you can see I'm on my WordPress dashboard. Now you can embed this anywhere in pages or posts. I'm just going to go ahead and go to pages, add new page, and I'll just go ahead and embed this to a new page. So I'll just call this resume. Then we can go ahead and go to the next block. You can then click on the plus icon. Then you want to just search for HTML and then click here where it says custom HTML. Now you can paste in that HTML code that you just copied from Canva. If you click preview, it then should show your design here. Then go ahead and publish that in the top right hand corner. Click publish again, and then you can view that on your website. So let's view page, and here you can see the resume is now on the website. So that's how you can add your Canva design to your WordPress website.